No one is hurt after a St. Mary's HVAC unit overheated this afternoon. According to the Rochester Fire Department, the unit was in a penthouse above an elevator bank in the Alfred building. It overheated shortly after 12 this afternoon. There was some smoke but no flames. Maintenance is looking into why it overheated.
The smoke never impinged on any of the patient floors. There was no staff or patients in any of the areas where there was smoke. It was confined to the penthouse level above the uppermost patient care level.
Nobody had to evacuate the building.